Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to a brand new video. As you saw, today's video is a power hour and I am tackling Will's room. I wanted to take you with me on a realistic clean on what I get done in the day. This particular day I was meeting a friend for coffee, but I wanted to tick at least something off on my cleaning list, and Will's room was it. If you are new here, hello, my name is Michelle. I am a stay-at-home mum to 3 gorgeous children. I live in sunny Queensland, Australia with my husband Chris and our 3 beautiful kids, and here on my channel I like to make videos to 1, motivate you, and 2, motivate me as well. So if you like these type of videos, I would love for you to consider sticking around and subscribing to my channel. And if you have been following for a long time, hello and welcome back. I really appreciate you coming every week and watching my videos. But I'm going to stop chatting. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get cleaning.
We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me, but when there's complications you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem you become like a wall, and every time I trip it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
So first things first is I'm going to strip Will's bed and get these sheets into the wash so they are washing whilst I am cleaning the rest of his room. On this particular day I was going to plan on cleaning more of my house, but my friend actually messaged at the beginning of me starting this video and asked if I wanted to meet up for coffee. So I told her I would meet her in an hour. So I wanted to get all of this done before I had to meet her, and I'm just going to throw in the actual sheets and I'm going to wash the quilt separately. I do have a spare quilt for his bed, so I'm going to pop that on later on this evening.
But when it comes to me you don't wanna know.
And at the moment I am really enjoying the Downy pods, which I picked up at the reject shop. They do sell the Downy fabric softener at Coles, but they don't actually sell the pods. But I'm actually also using the Comfort fabric softener for bedding. It's a lavender smell that I got from the reject shop too. I find the reject shop has some pretty awesome cleaning and laundry products in there that are a little bit different than the supermarket. And now I am going to wipe down Will's sliding door. Now you can see there's a mark on the door. The door actually got stuck there for a while, so we need to repaint the door. But because the door was always a little bit jammed, Will had been using his hand to slide the door, and there is lots of grubby marks all over this door, and you'll see in a minute the other side. And I think it's gotten worse because it has been rainy days the last week and a half, so I'm just going to tackle that. Here it is. How gross is that? But I wanted to keep it real, and we removed the handle, so I need to definitely patch this door up. It's not looking the best, but so gross. So I'm just using a wet magic eraser here to remove most of the marks, and then I'm going to come in with some Method antibacterial spray just to make sure all the germs are gone on the door. And then I'm just going to wipe over this wall with a fresh magic eraser to get any footprints off from Will when he's popped his feet up on the wall. And I'm just wiping this all over. It made me laugh when I was wiping this over because I remember when we first painted our house that Chris wanted the kids to wear gloves as a joke so they wouldn't put their grubby hands all over everything. But I guess that's the life of having people in your house, and even though my children are older, there's always going to be finger marks. I don't think children ever grow out of popping their hands all over everything. My kids generally help out and clean their rooms. They make their beds, they keep the things off the floor. The girls will tidy their rooms more than Will, as in they will dust and clean them, but William is very neat and tidy normally. And if I'm filming a cleaning video, I'll tell him not to worry about making his bed. But my kids are pretty good at keeping their rooms neat and tidy, but I do like to come in and deep clean their rooms for them. Although Isabel did her room the other day and she did a magnificent, if I can get that out, job. She is 16 and she's older, and Liv cleans her room too. But I think there's nothing beats mum cleaning the room. My mum used to do it for me, so I don't mind doing it. And here's a bit of reality there for you. I just found cupcake packets in Will's drawer. That is why mum comes in and cleans the room at least once a month to make sure there's nothing living in any drawers. And you would have seen before that I just popped on a 10-minute timer. I was losing my cleaning mojo. I was getting quite hot. That's why my mop slippers wasn't on. And I just started thinking about going for coffee, but I knew I wanted this room clean and tidy before Will got home from school. So at least all I had to do was make his bed that night. So I popped on a 10-minute timer. I popped Britney Spears on William's Google Home, and I got cleaning. I find if I'm feeling a little flat and I start losing my cleaning mojo, I will put a 10-minute timer on and race it, and it gives me back that little bit of a push to keep going and getting things done. And the vacuum that I am using today in Will's room is the Shark Corded Self-Cleaning Brush Roll Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum is awesome because the canister lifts up off the actual arm of the vacuum, and then you can get to hard to reach places. Fantastic for tall ceilings like here in my home, and also for getting under beds. And what's awesome, it has a light too. I haven't had a corded vacuum for a few years now. I got rid of my actual, well, I didn't get rid of it. I gave my Shark vacuum lift away. That was a mouthful. A few years ago, I didn't think I would no longer need a corded vacuum because we don't have carpet. I was completely wrong. It's amazing how much more power a corded vacuum has. And I am loving this new vacuum. I can't wait to show more features of the vacuum in future cleaning videos, but I'm absolutely loving it, and I couldn't recommend it enough. It's actually a lot lighter than my last Shark vacuum, and this Shark Lift Away is the lightest of them all, which is perfect if you have to go up and down stairs, and it's not too heavy to carry. Happy that Shark decided to send me this vacuum to trial, and I absolutely love it. I will definitely link it below if you would like to check it out, but I really would like to say thank you to Shark for thinking of me and sending me the vacuum to trial. I hope today's video gave you all the cleaning motivation that you needed today, and if you are after any more cleaning motivation, I will pop a cleaning playlist up on the screen now. It has hours of cleaning motivation, but I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!